Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Speed ramping is a fantastic technique to add dynamic flair to your videos, emphasizing action or creating a surreal time blending effect. Premiere Pro offers robust and intuitive tools for this. This guide will cover the best and most current methods for speed ramping in Premiere Pro, ensuring smooth and professional results. Okay, what is speed ramping? Speed ramping or time remapping is the technique of gradually changing the speed of a video clip over a specific duration rather than an abrupt jump. It's often used to emphasize action that is slowed down for a dramatic moment, then speed up for transition. It can also be used to create visual interest, that is, make mundane actions more dynamic. It can also be used for smooth transitions, that is, seamlessly connect shots by accelerating or decelerating into or out of them. It can also highlight details, that is, slow down to focus on a specific element. Let's get to some methods to do that. And the first method is using the pen tool and speed ramps. This is the most common and powerful method for precise speed ramping. So go ahead and first prepare your clip. I had Premiere Pro open here, so if at all you don't have it open, open it. Now place your video clip on the timeline. So this is crucial for smoothness. If you shot at a higher frame rate like 60 frames per second or 120 fps than your sequence, e.g. 24 fps or 30 fps, interpret your footage fast for silky, smooth slow motion. Now let's get to display the speed keyframe overlay. On your timeline, right click on the video portion of your clip, not the audio. Go to show clip keyframes. Now click on time remapping and then choose speed. You'll see a horizontal line running through your clip representing its speed 100% by default. Add speed keyframes to it now. So select this pen tool by clicking on P from the toolbar here. Click on the speed line at the point where you want your speed change to begin. This creates a keyframe. Click again on the speed line at the point where you want your speed change to end. This creates a second keyframe. You now have two keyframes defining a segment of your clip. Let's adjust speed between these two keyframes. With the pen tool, click and drag the segment of the line between your two keyframes, either up to speed up or down to slow down. You will see the percentage change as you drag. Watch the clip's duration. As you speed up a segment, the clip will definitely shorten, and as you slow it down, it will lengthen. This will ripple the timeline if enabled. Now let's get to create smooth ramps, that is Bezier handles. Notice the small circles. This is keyframe handles that appear on your speed keyframes. These control the smoothness of the speed transition. Drag these circles horizontally away from each other to make the speed transition gradual, that is a smooth ramp curve. Drag them closer for a sharper, more abrupt change. Drag them vertically to adjust the curve's intensity, that is the Bezier curve. Let's get to the second method. The first method is done. The second method is using the speed or duration dialog box, which is simpler and actually less precise. This method is for simple, abrupt speed changes, or if you prefer numerical input, but it's less suited for gradual ramps. Select your clip, open speed or duration, and this is how to do that. Right click on the clip, choose speed or duration here. Now let's adjust the speed. In the dialog box, enter your desired speed percentage, e.g. 50% for half speed, 200% for double speed. You can reverse speed as well. Check this to play the clip backward. Maintain audio pitch. Keep this checked to prevent audio from sounding like a chipmunk or a monster when changing the speed. People edit shifting trailing clips as well. Keep this checked to automatically move other clips on the timeline to fill any gap or prevent overwriting. Now go ahead and click OK. The clip's speed will change instantly once you do that. Now these are some of the advanced tips for professional speed ramps. Shoot high frame rate. This cannot be stressed enough. The more frames you capture, the smoother your slow motion and speed ramps will be. 60 fps for 30 fps sequences, 120 fps for 24 fps or 30 fps sequences, etc. Also, plan your shots. Speed ramps work best when you plan for them. Consider camera movement, e.g. a tracking shot, subject movement, and the desired emphasis. Also match audio. Remember to either detach the audio, that is right click on it on the clip here like this, and then select unlink, or apply or maintain audio pitch if you are keeping the original sound. Visual cues is key as well. Think about why you are speed ramping. Is it to build tension, surprise, or highlight detail? Let the ramp serve the story. Test and refine as well. Speed ramping is an art. Experiment with different speeds and ramp durations. Play it back multiple times to ensure it feels natural and very impactful. By following these steps and understanding the nuances of Premiere Pro's speed ramping tools, you will be creating dynamic and engaging video sequences in no time. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.